Haberdashery. Today I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous summer shoes. Now these are really quick and easy to do, and everybody has a pair of white plimsolls hanging around, and quite often they go kind of yellow over time as well, so really the only thing you can do with them is dye them when they get to that point. I suppose some people would throw them away at that point, but that doesn't compute in my head actually. So anyway, these ones weren't even old and yellow. I did thrift them, but they were brand new. They still had their original shop tags on when I thrifted them. So you're going to need a pair of white plimsolls in like a canvas or a cotton or a linen fabric. And you need colours, whatever colours you want, but I've used pink, yellow, blue, which is my best-selling combination of colours on the shop. So the first thing I did was I cut my tags off my shoes and I dampened them. Now once I dampened them, I left them to dry just a little bit because you don't want them dripping, because then the colours will get really wishy-washy and you want them to stay as vibrant as you can. So I took the laces out because I wanted lovely pristine white laces at the end, but you might want to dye your laces as well, that's entirely up to you. So I took a wire rack and I put it over my sink. Then I just went a little bit crazy with colour and I just did random splotches of the pink, random splotches of the blue, and then I went back over, and any place where I could see white I went over with the yellow. Now the point is here to kind of mix the colours, let the colours overlap, because the yellow will touch the blue and turn to green, and the pink will touch the blue and turn to purple, and the pink will touch the yellow and turn to orange. And it's actually really difficult to be neat with shoes anyway, so it's a good excuse to be messy. You don't need an excuse to be messy, do you? Mwah. So once that's done, you just need to put them somewhere to dry. We're very lucky in the northeast of England right now and we're having lovely weather, so I put mine out in the sun to dry. So I left them to dry overnight and then I put them in the washing machine, and when I rinsed them they came out like this. So I think they turned out really cute. Those and other shoes are available on my online shop, which is www.haberdashery.com. I'll put the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!